Welcome to the garden. Today I'm going to be making some sangria in this ice punch bowl. This was actually surprisingly easy to make. I started just by filling up an old bucket full of water. We're just going to freeze this for about 2 or 3 days. I like to insulate the outside with some old clothes. That way it freezes more slowly and you get clearer ice. And there is actually some liquid water still in there. So I'm going to make a cut right about here. There we go. Woo-wee, look at that go. And here it is. So it's already an excellent shape. It's a decent sized bowl. We have these really cool giant crystals down in the bottom. I think the first thing I want to do is flatten off the bottom just a little bit. I want to be extra gentle. I'm just going to clean up the rim. This is my aunt's homemade wild berry wine. It's really sweet, and it's actually quite potent. And isn't that color just beautiful? I think it's made with strawberries and raspberries, so it has a gorgeous deep red color. I think it'll pair well with our orange. How to piece this all together before it freezes solid. It is absolutely frigid out here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this whole orange, and then let's mix in our berry wine. Woo-wee! Isn't that beautiful? I love how the red color comes through the ice. That's just spectacular. Wow, it's got pulp, like orange juice. That's awesome. That means that orange flavor should hopefully be in there. Look at that. That is beautiful. Now I did think about making an ice wine glass like I did a few years back, but it is so cold, I was honestly worried about my mouth sticking to the rim. So I just went with this stemless wine glass today. Oh, it's beautiful. Cheers. This project turned out excellent, so I hope you stay tuned for my next ice carving video. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!